Kita mulai aja ya. Okay, hello everyone. Before we dive in, uh, I would like to say thank you to you guys who can attend in this session. Let me just say, if this presentation goes well, it was all planned, and if it's not, let's just call it an experiment. Let me introduce myself. My name is Meisha Zanatoshiva from Group 9. In today's session, I will present about the type of academic writing, which is divided into descriptive writing, expository writing, argumentative writing, and analytical writing. The material will be explained by me and my partner. There is Nadia, Elsa, and Salva. The first material will be presented by Elsa about descriptive writing.
Descriptive
Elsa,
writing.
ya. Lanjutin.
Descriptive writing is text that describe an object, place, person, event, or idea in detail. The purpose of descriptive text is so that readers can feel, see, hear, smell, or even taste what is described as if they had experienced it themselves. Its main characteristic is the use of adjective, adverb, and figure of speech to provide rich and detailed description. This object can be people, animal, object, or place. Descriptive text structure. The descriptive text structure consists of two parts, namely identification and description. The identification section contains an introduction to the object to be described. Examples include what is the object, or where did the thing come from. The description section contains a more specific explanation regarding the object being described. In this section, you can explain the appearance and personality of an object. Next.
Expository writing is a type of academic writing that aims to explain a topic or idea clearly and concisely. The main goal of expository writing is to provide readers with information about a particular subject without putting forward personal opinions or biases. Next. Characteristic of expository writing: 1. Factual and objective. 2. Logical structure. 3. Educational goals. Okay, next. Example, original sentence. The climate is changing and it is having a bad impact on the environment. Revisit expository sentence. Climate change caused by human activities such as the burning of fossil fuels is causing adverse impact on the environment, including rising sea levels and an increased frequency of extreme weather events. Okay, next. Tips for effective expository writing. 1. Choose a topic that is interesting and relevant to your interest. 2. Create a clear and concise hypothesis statement. 3. Collect data and facts related to the topic from credible sources. 4. Create a logical and consistent structure for your thinking. And the last, use transition between paragraphs so that the flow is smooth and easy for readers to understand. Okay, next.
Okay, next, there is argumentative writing. Argumentative writing is a form of academic expression that revolves around presenting a claim or thesis and supporting it with evidence and logical reasoning. In argumentative writing, you are also typically asked to take a position on an issue or topic and explain and support your position with research from reliable and credible source. And there is characteristic of argumentative writing. First is clear thesis. In this characteristic, the text presents a main idea or thesis that is dependent throughout the document. Next, strong argumentation. No. Belum Elsa. Balik lagi. Second, strong argumentation. In this characteristic, the argument should support by relevant evidence, data, and or example. Third, coherence and cohesion. In this characteristic, the text should have a logical and well-organized structure. Fourth, persuasiveness. In this characteristic, the purpose of the text is to persuade the reader to accept the author's position. And last is objective and subjective. In this characteristic, although based on data, the text may reflect the author's subjective viewpoint or opinion. Next. There is type of argumentative writing, such as essay, opinion article, political speech, and debate. Next. Okay. Argumentative for professional context. There is academic essay, debate, and position papers. Next. For a component of argumentative writing, there is 5. First is claim, like what do I think? Second is reason, like why do I think? Third is evidence, like how do I know? Fourth is counterclaim, and 5 is rebuttal. Bentar. For claim, in this component, the position taken by the writer, what the writer is trying to prove or argue. For component reason, provide to support a claim. Reasons are supported by evidence. Third, next aja Elsa. Capek.
Analytical writing evaluates a topic in depth by exploring the why and how behind the fact, connecting ideas logical, and interpreting information critical. Next. Characteristic analytical writing. 1. Clarity and structure. 2. Critical thinking. 3. Evidence-based. Next. Example. Descriptive statement. The book used symbolism to reflect the protagonist's struggle. Analytical statement. Through the use of symbolism, the book portrays the protagonist's struggle by linking their experience to the time of freedom and oppression. Next, application. 1. Literary analysis. Interpret time, symbolism, and character in literature. 2. Scientific paper. Evaluate method, data, and finding in research. 3. Theoretical essay. Explore abstract concept and theories. Tips for improvement. 1. Ask why and how while analyzing. 2. Use credible source for research. 3. Seek feedback to refine writing. 4. Ensure a clear structure with introduction, body, and conclusion. 5. Practice writing regularly.
Okay, we have done explaining about all the material. Before we start the quiz vocab, does anyone want to ask a question? Ada yang mau bertanya nggak? Does anyone want to ask a question?
May,
Hmm,
I will answer number 8. The
oh,
answer is explanation.
wait, aku nanya dulu yang ada yang mau nanya nggak? Bentar, tunggu bentar. There is no question. Okay, because there is no question, let's start quiz vocabulary. Anyone want to ask? Want to answer?
I want answer number 6.
Uh, okay.
The answer is characteristic.
Sebutin nama dulu ya.
My name is Arif Abdillah. I want answer number 6. The answer is characteristic.
Okay, correct. Any else?
May I answer?
Okay.
My name is Revaldi Septian. I want to answer number 9. The answer is logical.
Okay, correct. Next.
May I wanna answer number 1? Introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Fadli Ardi Irmansyah. The answer is academic.
Okay, good.
May I wanna answer number 5?
Okay.
My name is introduce myself. My name is Hayriya. The answer number 5 is important.
Okay, good. Next.
May I answer, May?
Yeah, go on.
Okay. My name is Alinur Padilla. I want to answer for number 2. So the answer is argumentative. Thank you.
Okay, correct. Next.
May I answer, May?
Okay, go on.
Introduce myself. My name Agnes Vianuzula. I want to answer the number 4 is expository. That's right?
Okay, correct.
Okay.
Good.
Okay.
Next. Who want to answer?
May I want to answer number 10.
Okay.
My name is Fatia Sabila. The answer is writing.
Okay, good. Any else?
I wanna answer. My name
Okay.
My name is Siti Rahmi Aulia. The answer I wanna answer number 3. The answer is analytical.
Okay, correct.
May
Next.
I will answer number 8.
Okay, go.
My name is Salwa. The answer is explanation.
Okay, good. Any else?
I will answer number 7. My name is Nesia. The answer is objective.
Okay, good. Next. Oh, atau udah semua? Okay. Because the quiz all answered, I will ask again. Does anyone want to ask a question about material? Ada yang mau nanya nggak?
May I want to ask?
Okay. Introduce yourself first.
My name is Trimaula Zulfa. Why it is important to understand these two types of writing in an academic context. Thank you.
Okay. Ada lagi? Ada lagi Kak? Cukup satu aja. Ini pertanyaannya dikit dulu ya. Atau udah gak ada yang mau jawab, nanya lagi?
Jawabannya
The answer, yes.
writing is important because both
are used for different academic purposes. Descriptive writing helps convey detail interesting, while expository writing is made to explain information in a factual and organized manner, so that reader can understand the topic well.
Okay, is that enough, Eci, for the explanation? Udah terjawab belum?
Yes, thank you.
Okay. Ada lagi yang mau nanya? Atau cukup aja? Baik. Okay, because there is no more question, before we end this presentation, I would say thank you to you guys who can attend in this session. Thank you for your participation. Have a good night. Okay, thank you.